Let's get a look at the forecast. It's been a busy weather week, Meredith.
It has been, and definitely a taste of winter before we even close out this year.
Absolutely, and it's going to be a little snowy for New Year's Eve.
Oh, we're going to get some snow for sure, and we could even see some snow overnight tonight. So lots of things happening. Of course, I've got us covered. Let's talk about the 10 weather impact. We do have the headlines, including more snow overnight tonight. Not a lot, though, just a little bit to make the roads a little dicey in some spots as we go into the morning. The real big story will be the 10 weather impact of New Year's Eve, but then milder air will move in and we will see some more sunshine. But at this hour, you can see there's not a lot happening. We did have some snow showers earlier persisting in the Columbus metro, especially further off to the east. But what's happening is the winds have shifted and they're coming a little bit more out of the west now. So that's kind of taking this lake effect and moving it out of central Ohio. But we are going to continue to see those winds howl today. We do have some gusts still between 25 to up to 35 miles per hour. That's contributing to the wind chills that you see here, making us feel like we're in the single digits and teens. Not going to warm up that much today, but as the wind starts to die down a little bit, that'll allow these feels like temperatures to go back up a little bit higher, but you can see the air temperature really not changing much. We're going to remain in the low 20s throughout the day today. The 10 weather impact, here's what you need to know. This is for New Year's Eve, and we are looking at snow as the main issue, as well as wind and some very, very cold air. So let me walk you through the next 24 to 48 hours. As we go into tonight, there's a sneaky little system. We've been talking about it all day. This is going to bring us some snow overnight, starting between 10 and 11 and going till about 2 or 3 o'clock. And then it's going to be moving out of here by the time you're waking up and getting the New Year's Eve going. Now, as we go into New Year's Eve, 8 o'clock, you can see maybe some scattered snow showers early. The bulk of the snow is going to come after 4 o'clock. So as you're getting ready to travel, maybe for the holiday, maybe you're going out for New Year's Eve dinner, maybe you're going to a family or friend's house to watch the Buckeyes game, the snow will start to fill in, moving in from north to south. Here's 5. And you can see by 6 o'clock, we do have some pretty steady bands. When we start to see these darker blues and purples, that means a little bit more intensity in the snow. This is what's going to bring us some accumulation, continuing till just about midnight. And then this moves out of here. We clear up behind it, but we still have a north wind, so that's going to bring in some really cold air for New Year's Day. Snow totals are looking at anywhere between maybe 1 to 2 inches on the higher end of things. We'll know a little bit better as we go into the evening tonight, but that is why we've issued that 10 weather impact alert day for us for the second half of Wednesday. New Year's Day going to be cold. We're also going to have a little bit of wind, but not too much, so it won't be as bad as it's been over the last couple of days. And then we start to thaw out. And I say that because temperatures during the day finally start to get above freezing. Saturday looks a little bit cold for us, but by Sunday and into Monday, we are seeing more seasonable temperatures. Average high is in the upper 30s for this time of year. So, Bryn, there's that light at the end of the tunnel, that warm light just sitting out there on Monday.